Y'all, it's your girl Simone back with another video. So as y'all can see, I am about to do this wig. I really need to do something to my hair because I've been weeks without doing anything to my hair. So I bought this wig off of Amazon. This is from BLY hair. I'll show y'all the box that it came in, but this is how it looks on my hair right now. As y'all can see, the hair is already pretty much pre-plucked a little bit, but I am gonna pluck it some more. Well, it look like, I don't know if y'all can see that. Hold on. Okay, so up at the top right here, it does look pre-plucked on this side, but on this side it looks different. So I don't know what's that about, but I'm definitely gonna go ahead and bleach the knots. And then after I'm done bleaching the knots and it dries, I'm gonna go ahead and customize the wig and everything like that. So this is what it looks like now, and then of course we're gonna get it to how it needs to look.
Here we go, we're gonna send this one out to the old school. All these motherfuckers in the Bronx and Brooklyn and Staten Island, Queens, and all the motherfuckers that laid it down, the foundation, you know what I'm saying? Number love for the old school, that's what we're gonna do this one for, you feel me? Can't go with some DVDs and shit. I remember Mr. Magic Flash, Grandmaster Castle, LL raising elbows. And if it lasts every year, Rock Kim was the shit to me. I flipped to see a Junkie Fresh show with Ricky D and Veteran was putting in work. And Chuck Chill had my homies on the hill getting ill when shit was real. What I still remember raw with Daddy Kane when De La Soul was putting potholes in the game. I can't explain how it was. Houdini had me pumping on that Buddha King buzz. But still I was. Them block parties in the projects and on my block. And you don't stop sipping on that by the side. And through my speaker playing deeper and MC Light. It's in the tracks again, I still keep it through the night. But till the rockin' man John, this is the design. Remember push up with the bomb shit. Nothing like the old school. Nothing like the old school. Nothing like the old school. Yeah. It ain't nothing like the old school. I had shell toes, a DVD, a killer piece of my leaves when I hit the streets. I bang Skelly, bring a Levy on, catch a kiss. Before the homies in my hood learned to smack a bitch. I remember way back, the week they had too many seeds in the trade bag. I'm on the train heading uptown, freestyling with some wild kids from uptown. Profiling cause the hoop keep staring, second word the niggas wearing. I'm wondering if that's ahead. I remember sick ball, Uncle Hoopie's on the wall. I'm taking leaks on the set, sinking up the hall. Through my childhood, wild as a juvenile. A young nigga trying to stay away from like a hell. Me and my homies breaking nights trying to keep it true. Out on the roof, sipping 90 proof, ain't nothing like the old school. Ain't nothing like the old school. Ain't nothing like the old school. Hey, Rich, ain't nothing like the motherfucking old school, nigga. And I know you kinda like reminiscing when I just freak it to you like that. So why don't you flip that shit for these motherfuckers and like, you know, really just let them see how you picture the old school. Cause it ain't the same for every motherfucker, you feel me? So take us back, nigga. Remember popping and locking at Curtis Blow, the name belts, and Scotland rock the super hole back in Latin quarters. When Slick Rick was flicking Lottie Dottie, came in the hoochies at the neighborhood block parties. I remember break dancing to Melly Bell, tickling high to LL when he rocked the bells. Forget the TV, I'm about to hit the streets and do graffiti. Be careful, don't let the transit cops see me. Ain't nothing like the old school. It ain't nothing like the old school. It ain't nothing like the old school. Hey, on the real though, ain't nothing like the old school.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl Simone back with another video. So in today's video, I am taking myself on a solo date. So I'm taking these. So I am gonna include me showing y'all how I installed this wig. Well, not the part how I got it to lay, but just the part of me like putting it like bob cap on and all that type of stuff. So y'all see that in this video. But right now, I am gonna go drive myself to the movies, and I'm excited. I haven't been out the house in like forever, so I'm just kind of happy to be out the house. But yeah, y'all like my wig. If y'all interested in this hair, I definitely will have like the link below, so y'all can go check this hair out because it's really good. Um, it's really good hair. Like, I can't complain about it. Like, it sheds a little bit, but not bad. But yeah, so, so I'm excited. You know, I will show y'all my outfit, but yeah, I might show y'all. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, so I'm about to go ahead and head out, and I'll see y'all when I get to the movies.
Here we go, we gonna send this one out to the old school. All these motherfuckers in the Bronx and Brooklyn and Staten Island, Queens, and all the motherfuckers that laid it down, the foundation, you know what I'm saying? Number love for the old school, that's what we gonna do this one for, you feel me?